accidentally fell out of our chair and she couldn't get grip on our hardwood floor. So she accidentally hurt her hip or her leg, we don't know yet. But we just gave her some pain meds so that she can go to sleep without no pain. And if it's not any better in the morning, we will be taking her to the vet. She is 16 years old, so we already know she's very fragile, especially in the hip area. She's on probiotics for that because her hip joints are very, very fragile. So I'm just gonna give her lots of love and hope the pain will go away and get ready for school. Cause it's school night. Yeah, UDI school night. Mwah. Come here, Corona. Corona is going to sleep right now. She's right next to me with the heating pad on. I'll check up with you guys in the morning to see how she does. Come on. So we ended up not taking her to the vet, but we got her some meds for her pain and joints, I think. Yeah, so I have to give it to her morning and night, but I'm making her some food because she has to have a full belly to have the pill. So yeah, she's having leftovers from last night. It wasn't just from last night, it was from a few nights ago, so she's gonna love it still. Meatballs, I just mashed up the potatoes and her meatballs so then it's easier for her to eat and so it cools down. Got her food. Come on. This is what the pill looks like. The other dogs think this is theirs. It's warm. Okay, I'm gonna go feed this to her once it's actually cooled. You guys aren't getting any. No. I got some sleepy meds in this, and I just gave Corona a bowl of some chicken because she is in a lot of pain right now and she's barely eating or drinking, so I'm trying to get her to eat as much as possible, and chicken is good for them, so I gave her a bowl of chicken. The way she's laying, she's putting her hurt leg out. If she doesn't start walking on her leg in a week, we're gonna go get it checked out because it could be broken up here. So You better get better, ma'am. Yeah. Just chilling out in the pool to see if it will help her arthritis. When we got home, there was some diarrhea with blood in it. So she will be going to the vet tomorrow with my mom while I'm at school, and I'll give you guys an update once I get results from that vet appointment. But yeah, we're gonna see if this will help her leg with her arthritis and stuff. So yeah. Update, I'm here eating some food. I wanted to give you guys an update. So I had to give Corona her med, and she has to have a full stomach, and normally I make her up some food and put the pill in it, but she refused to eat it. So I had to hand feed her bread, and I had to give her 3 pieces, and she barely wanted to eat that. So we're preparing ourselves for tomorrow because she is 16 years old and we don't know exactly what's going on. I just wanted to keep going on this video just in case when I have it. So yeah, I just gave Corona a bath because of the pool, and I wanted her to be clean because her skin's dried out. And then we're gonna do her nails too, and when she goes to the vet tomorrow, we're gonna see if we can get grippers to go on her nails because she's old and it's hard for her to walk on the floor. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do an update for you guys on Corona while I brush my hair. So Corona went to work with my mom at the vet clinic, and Doc took an x-ray of her leg, and she sort of broke it-ish. So she has to get surgery to replace a whole bunch of things in her knee area, and we can't get an appointment for about a week, which is okay. Doc did say it's okay, and because she's 16 years old, we were wondering if she could even have surgery, which she very much can. Her vitals, her heart, and everything's good. She has no cancer, and there's nothing literally wrong with her. She's basically a puppy, and so yeah, she might be getting surgery, and if we don't, then we're gonna have to put her down. So yeah, very tough decisions going on. Decisions we really did not want to make, but this is what we got handed. Okay, so yeah, she has 5 different types of meds that she's going on now to help her with pain and stuff, and yeah, she knows something's wrong. Yeah. I just want to say this right now. I don't want people being in the comments like, you should be spending time with your dog, not filming. Well, because I'm doing this, I have the data, I have all the information, and I can look back to it, so then I know exactly what happened in case I forget. And yes, I'm spending literally every single second with my dog. Out of like 2 minutes a day, it's fine. I can be by myself and talk to my phone. So just wanted to say that. Day before Corona's leg surgery. I'm trying to go to bed right now, and all I think is tonight is literally my last night of sleeping with Corona before her surgery. Her surgery is tomorrow, and this could be my last night ever sleeping with her if she doesn't make it out of the surgery. Or this is my last night before she goes in for surgery, and then she's very fragile, and a lot of emotions are going on right now. sitting here cuddling with Corona. Because today's her surgery day. You're such a good girl. Yeah. You're such a good girl.
It's never here on Mondays, so she's like still trying to figure out.
Take it.
Now the Cowboys were, while they were celebrating getting a deal done for their star wide receiver, they were also having difficult conversations about players who will not be making the team this season. Tyler Bill Johnson, Eric Scott, David Wilson, Albert Huggins, and Nathaniel Pete are just a few of the players who were released by the Cowboys. Trim that roster down to 53.
I just realized I haven't updated you guys a lot on Corona's surgery and how it went. So it's almost a week or two later, and I'm sitting here editing this video, and I'm like, I didn't update you guys. So I just showed you that we were coming home with Corona after her surgery. She made it through her surgery. Surgery went really well. They fixed it, and now she is home, clearly. She wasn't supposed to walk on the leg, put any weight on it, but she's Corona. She does what she wants. And now she is walking on it. And sometimes she'll hit it on something and she'll start limping again. But she's not putting all of her weight on the leg, but she is still walking on it, so that's a good sign. She's gonna be having physical therapy soon. She's hiding under a blanket, or I would show you. I'll show you guys soon. But her incision area healing very, very well. She's not allowed to get it wet still, and she is on joint supplements still, which she's been on. She's on a gut supplement, and then she's on 3 different pills, morning and night, and I've been doing this for a very long time. I'll put the exact amount of days that I've been doing it, but she's a very spoiled girl. She eats a lot of food. My mom's friend actually brought us some very, very expensive canned food that she was eating right after her surgery, but we only had 5 cans, which 1 can lasted about 3 days for the first day or 2, and then after that she got her full appetite back, and she was eating 1 can a day because I would feed her 2 to 3 times a day, and I started mixing in hard food close to the end of the first week. But yeah, she's still on meds and everything, and yeah, here, I'll show you right now. This is her leg and incision area. It's basically all healed. They shaved this entire section, even half her stuff, and then here she is. Yeah. Oh, and she was slipping on the floor, so they put these red grippers so she wouldn't slip. Just cover you back up. So yeah, like I said, they had to put grippers on her toenails because she was slipping and we didn't want her hurting herself more. We were supposed to watch to make sure she didn't hurt her other leg, and we are still on the watch. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Like I said, we're still on the watch to make sure she doesn't hurt her other leg like what she did to the leg that we fixed. So that would be caused if she puts too much weight on that leg, her good leg, if she puts, like, said that's the only way, like, she can walk on for the back. She's putting all of her weight on that leg, so we wanted to make sure she wouldn't injure it and have to have surgery again. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And I think they tried doing her front nails. Her front nails were so freaking long, and like she was struggling with us cutting them because she was in so much pain from her leg, and she was swarming like everywhere trying to get away. So I think they did her nails in surgery too. Her back feet didn't need it because they were super short. So I'm so tired. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'll show you the exact date. That date. Well, it's September 5th, 8:42. And yeah, you guys will see this video Monday. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching, and you guys will get a update once we get the full clear that she is good to go. So, thank you guys for watching this. Please hit that subscribe button and hit your notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And comment down below any suggestions that you might have for her finishing up her recovery, or if you guys have any questions, because there's a lot that happened in this video, like a lot, and I want to answer all your guys' questions. And if there's enough questions, I might do a Q&A video and answer all those. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.